Hello good people, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jackie from Africa, Kenya. Today I want to show you how to cook meat and onion stir. Yes, come with me and don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Here we go. I'm going to put cooking oil like that. Then I'm going to add my onions. I'm going to add garlic. Then I'm going to add green pepper or green chili, whatever you will call it. Then I stir. Now I'm going to remove this. And now I add cooking oil, a little one. Yes, like that. Then I add my meat. I'm going to add black pepper. Then cumin. Then I will add this one here, paprika, little one. I'll just add little one of it. Then I'm going to add soy sauce, dark one. And then I stir. I'm going to add little water, little one, and now I cook with medium heat. I'm going to add salt to taste, and now I'm going to add my ready onions. And now here is our meat and onion stir. Yes. Thank you guys for watching.